Scale degrees. The word scale comes from the Latin scali or the Italian scala, meaning stairs or ladder. Each pitch of the scale is a scale degree, or scale step, in keeping with the stairs image. When you write or play a scale, its beginning note, called the tonic, is usually repeated one octave higher at the end. The tonic scale degree, C in the C major scale, is crucial to the sound and structure of scales and musical passages. It is the most stable scale degree and often serves as the final pitch of a melody. The other scale steps vary in structural weight, depending in part on the musical context. Scale degree numbers are written with a caret above 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Some sight singing methods encourage singing with these numbers. Another method, movable do solfège, or solfège for short, assigns each scale degree a syllable, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, as in this example. This example gives scale degree numbers and solfège syllables for the beginning of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Thanks for watching this video on understanding scale degrees in music theory. We hope that you found this lesson informative and helpful in your musical journey. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more music theory lessons and tutorials. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we release new videos, and you'll have access to a wealth of knowledge that can help you grow as a musician. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more great content with you soon.